How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Sarah, can you please introduce yourself to us?
My name is Akelo Sarah. I am 16 years old. I came from Molata district. I am currently a student of St. Catherine Secondary School, and I'm also a former student of Global Leaders Nursery and Primary School.
Sarah,
Yes.
how do you feel about this coronavirus crisis?
I feel too worried because I'm missing school. I'm also worried that I may not go back to school since my parents are not doing any kind of job that can give them money for paying my school fees when the school opened. And I'm also worried that they're not having enough food items in the house. And for me, I'm staying here with Madam Collins. I'm having enough food items, but I'm worried about my parents because they're not doing any kind of job that can make them get money to buy food items.
Yeah. Sarah, how do you think the coronavirus is affecting children in the most rural areas of Molatar?
Since they have stopped people from staying together, being together, but kids from Molatar, people from Molatar, others are still going to the market to look for food. Others are still fetching water together. They're still gathering together. But I'm too much worried that they may get this coronavirus by staying together with their friends, greeting, shaking their friends' hands. I'm very worried about that.
Yeah, yeah, they could. If the coronavirus hits the village, it's very hard for them to avoid getting together because they have to go to the well and fetch water.
Yeah.
So it worries all of us. Sarah, how do you think people can help?
People can help by providing food items to people, by supporting kids to go back to school, by providing medical care to people, since they are not doing any kind of job and all the transport means have been closed. No more moving with vehicles. If you are sick, you have to remain at home.
Yeah, that's true. It's very hard. Like Sarah is, we are all worried about the situation in the most rural areas of our country. The people there are not working and cannot afford to provide for their families during this time. It is even going to get worse after the lockdown because they have not been saving, they have not been working, they have no capital to start up. And yesterday, I received a call at night from a friend of mine who had to take his wife to the hospital to deliver. But there was no means of transport. I could not help myself because he was 3 hours away and we are all not allowed to drive anywhere. We tried to call ambulances. It took hours before it could get there. His wife had to go into operation. They sent him to the hospitals to buy medication from clinics and he could not get anything at that time of the night. While we are lucky that we can stay home and take care of ourselves from this disease, it is becoming even harder for people in the rural areas to access the basic needs. That's why at Faraway Friends, we believe that distance means so little when someone means so much. And that's why we are coming up with a program that will enable all of us be a part of this struggle together, stand with Sarah and her friends that are unable to go back to school next term, to provide for our teachers, and to help our communities cope with this situation. You can be a part of this by becoming an advocate that will raise money to help stand in the gap during this season with our communities. Thank you so much for always being there for us. May God bless you.